Welcome to channel Ngetrip Santuy Bali. Please follow dan subscribe channel ini. Bantu like, komen, dan share ya semua. Terima kasih.
Yes. Alright, let's go. Where you from, Miss?
Estonia.
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 Oh, Estonia. What is the language?
Estonia.
Oh, Estonian. Oh, yeah.
But Estonia is really a small country.
Oh, yeah. Estonia. No.
No, Estonia
Estonia.
is
And then you say the thank you in your language?
Aitäh.
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 Aitäh. Oh, Aitäh. Okay, Aitäh. And good morning. Gereh. Momikus. Gereh momikus. Okay. Teh and the gereh momikus. Okay, thank you so much. Gereh and momikus. Yeah. Because I learned for another country.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe like Italy,
Estonia is in Europe. It's like
Yeah.
it's next to Russia.
Oh,
and,
it's next to Russia.
I
Oh,
don't know where like Finland is.
no, maybe only Russia. Do you speak Russia? No.
No,
No, maybe I speak Russia a little bit. Yeah. Because I meet the Russia people.
Yeah.
I met.
There's actually a lot of Russians here.
Pardon me?
There's a lot of Russians.
Yeah, in Bali. Yeah, in Bali. Maybe we can go bus, yeah? Shannon, what's his name?
Yeah.
Sylvia. Oh, yeah, beautiful name. And then Asa. Yeah, Asa. You know Asa? Yeah, Asa. Yes. Maybe after this, can you follow my Instagram, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, yes. Alright. How long you stay in Bali?
I stayed there like over a week.
For 1 week.
Yeah, but I going to stay like in
Oh, yeah.
March.
Okay, alright. Till March, yeah? Alright. Enjoy your holiday, yeah? And maybe make famous, yeah? I definitely. I hope make famous. One minute.
Yeah.
Wait, it's not make tattoo? No.
No,
No.
it's a food studio.
Oh,
It's a dance studio.
Oh, but
Yeah. I'm going to dance bachata.
no tattoo.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Alright. We are but yes. Okay, then maybe I say goodbye for my
Bye.
Bye bye. And can you follow my Instagram? Yes, sir. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, Miss Lucia. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Jangan lupa follow dan subscribe ya. See you next video.